At CHSU-COM, we are your future doctors.
I'm a medical student here in the Central Valley because I have a heart to serve the underserved.
With OMM, we treat the whole person using a holistic, hands-on approach.
I'm glad CHSU teaches medical Spanish because it will help us connect with our community.
HoloLens allows me to view anatomy from a different perspective.
Our Butterfly IQ handheld ultrasound allows us to take ultrasounds in an instant.
I like to work in community service learning projects because I get to directly work with underserved patient populations.
We are learning culinary medicine so we can bridge the gap between patient care and nutrition.
At CHSU-COM, we are your future doctors.